If email marketing is something you think could be useful to your business, keep watching for great ideas. Email marketing is a great tool for selling your product, but only if you keep sales in mind. Every email that is sent should entice the readers to want to buy a product or service. This can be accomplished by writing an email filled with information regarding new product offers, old product offers, or special deals that are available to them. Ask your customers for expressed permission if you want to send them email messages. If you don't do this, your customers, and the people they exchange emails with, will lose trust in you, giving your business a bad name. When it comes to email marketing, keep your language as direct as you can. Doing this will show that you respect the time of your readers. This can also ensure that your readers will read your entire message. This can be vital since you probably end your emails with a link to your site to encourage your reader to find out more. To get customers enthused about getting your emails, give prizes away through your newsletter. This type of email marketing gives your customers an incentive to participate, and they could also have the chance to refer friends. This type of marketing allows businesses to send product information to consumers via email. Using the suggestions in this video can benefit your marketing automation campaign. Interacting with your potential customers is a good way to make online transactions more pleasant. An excellent way to achieve this is through email marketing. Don't overuse words like "by now," the way you go about it. This is not a good way to go about doing this, and you may be considered a spammer. To market your products or services effectively, you should instead strive to develop a relationship with your customers first and respectably present your business. Your customers will appreciate being treated well and will return the favor by buying from you again. Understand that the ultimate goal of email marketing campaign examples is to learn how to generate more sales. Your emails should make your readers want to buy your products. Announcing special offers, debuting new products, and revealing new information about existing products. They are email marketing best practices for beginners and a few of the tactics you can use to build this momentum. By focusing your messages on the particular needs of a group of customers, you will be able to send a message which will make them act on it. Let me know in the comment section whether you are going to apply some of this strategy. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel so you could get a notification every time we upload a new video. If you would like to know more on this subject, there is a link below this video where you can learn more. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future video. If you got something out of this video, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.